Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through the process on how to download TapColor Pro application on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open the Play Store on your Android phone and go to the search box at the top and type in TapColor Pro and search. Look for the application in the search result and tap on the install button when you get to this page. Now wait for the application to download and install on your Android device, which will take a couple of minutes. Soon after the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the play button to launch open the app on your Android. And that is how you can easily download the TapColor Pro application for your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.